Hello children, welcome back to the SST class. Today we are going to study a new lesson, Natural Resources of India. We are going to deal renewable and non-renewable resources of India. So let's begin. Chapter 7, Natural Resources of India. New words. There are some new words in this lesson which you need to understand to learn the lesson well. New words: inexhaustible resources or renewable resources are natural energy sources such as wind, water and sunlight which are always available. Second, exhaustible resources or non-renewable resources. Those resources that exist in limit quantities and it takes a long time for them to be created. Third, natural resources, things that we get from the nature. Fourth, conservations. Conservation is using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. Clear? Content. First, natural resources means. Second, two types of natural resources. Third, differences between renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Fourth, conservation of natural resources. Now, natural resources. Natural resources are the resources that we get from nature or earth and that help us in our day-to-day lives. Like air, water, sunlight and soil are some of the things that we get from the earth. You can see in the picture also sun, forest, rock, minerals, animals, air, oil, water and soil. These all are natural resources and we can see in detail. Types of natural resources. Natural resources are mainly of two types. First, renewable or inexhaustible resources. Second, non-renewable or exhaustible resources. We will see first renewable resources. Renewable or inexhaustible resources are natural energy sources such as wind, water, soil and sunlight. You can see in this picture also. This picture is renewable resources picture. Solar energy, water and wind. Clear? Let us learn about the uses of some renewable resources. First, air. Air is essential for all humans, animals and plants to survive. The blanket, here blanket means it covers the earth's surface to help maintain the right temperature so that is suitable for life. Second, water. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Just like air, water is essential for humans, animals and plants to survive. Okay? We are talking about renewable resources. Okay? Sunlight. Sunlight is one of the most important renewable resources. Sun provides lights in the daytime. Plants use sunlight to make their food through a process called photosynthesis. Sunlight also serves as a source of solar energy and many cars today run on solar energy. Cooking can also be done using solar energy. Sun, okay? Wind. Wind is another important natural resources. Windmills are used to create energy from the movement of the wind. Several states in India like Tamil Nadu and West Bengal and even in MP, windmills are used to create energy. Children, sometime when you go to Indore, you can see huge windmills are rotating either side of the road to make electricity also. If you are going to Indore, you can see. Forest. Forests are a rich source of plants, trees, animals and soil. Plants and trees provide us with wood, medicines, gun perfumes and raw materials to make many things. Most important, plants release oxygen in the air which is essential for humans. Okay, this picture is forest picture. Okay. Now next, soil. Soil, which form the top layer of the earth surface, is essential for plants to grow and live. It is very important for crops also, okay, soil. Animals. Animals provide us food like milk, eggs and meat and other things like wool and leather. They are also used as a means of transport in hilly areas and desert. Previous chapter we see also, na? Desert, na? The western desert chapter we saw. Now we are going to see next topic, non-renewable resources. Which topic? Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those resources that exist in limit quantities and it takes a long time for them to be created. Their supply is slowly getting over. They are also known as exhaustible resources. Some example of non-renewable resources are coal, petroleum, metals, minerals, oil and gas. Coal, natural gas and petroleum are called fossil fuels. And what is the process of making fossil fuels? When plants and animals die with time and after many years become fossil fuels. I repeat again. When plants and animals die with time and after many years becomes fossil fuels. It is converted into fossil fuels, okay. This picture is renewable energy sources picture, okay. Fossil fuels, oil, coal, nuclear, natural gas. Clear? First, petroleum. Petroleum is used to form diesel and petrol, which are used to run ships and aeroplanes. It is very rare natural resources as not many countries in the world have petrol reserves. Petroleum is also known as liquid gold. Bombay High is a petroleum reserve center, okay. Now next, metals. Metals like iron, bauxite and copper are useful natural resources used to make important object of daily uses. This picture is metals picture. You can see na different type of metals. Brass, steel, copper, aluminum, coastal iron. ठीक है? Now next, differences between renewable and non-renewable resources. Differences between renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resource. First, they can replenish themselves by quick recycling within a reasonable time. And non-renewable resources, they cannot replenish themselves by recycling and replacement. Next, renewable, they are not likely to be exhausted. Example, soil, forest, wildlife, underground water. And non-renewable, they may be exhausted. Example, minerals, fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Clear? Now, conservation of natural resources. Now, what is the meaning of conservation? You can see here, okay. Conservation means using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. I repeat again, conservation means using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. It is very important for us to use both renewable as well as non-renewable natural resources carefully, since non-renewable resources take a long time to form. It is very important for us to preserve them. We are talking about conservations, okay. Therefore, people have developed ways where sunlight, water and wind are used in place of renewable resources to produce energy. These are called alternative sources of energy. These are called alternative sources of energy. Now, alternative sources of energy. What is alternative sources of energy? A form of energy derived from a natural source such as sun, wind or waves, and it is also called renewable energy also. Okay, you can see in this picture also alternative energy sources picture, solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy, geothermal energy and hydropower energy.